In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up alerts on NinjaTrader. We'll walk through creating a clear, reliable price alert directly from a chart so you don't have to stare at the screen waiting for a level to hit. Start by opening your chart. Make sure the instrument and time frame you care about are on display, since the alert will reference exactly what you are seeing here. With the chart open, right-click anywhere inside the main chart area to bring up the context menu. From that menu, click Alerts. This opens the Alerts window, which is where you define the rule that tells NinjaTrader what to watch and when to notify you. Inside the Alerts window, look for the Conditions section. Click Add under Conditions to create a new rule. Every alert condition is built from 3 parts that read like a sentence, moving from left to right. On the left, select Data Series. This refers to the instrument's live price data that your chart is already plotting. It ensures the alert is tied directly to the price action on this specific chart. In the middle, choose the condition logic, such as cross above or cross below. Cross above means you'll be notified the first time price moves from below your chosen level to above it. Cross below is the opposite, catching a downward move through your level. Think of these as precise triggers that fire when price actually crosses a boundary rather than simply touches it. On the right, decide what the price should be compared against. You can enter a numeric value, like a specific price level, or choose a drawing object from your chart. A numeric value is great when you already know the exact price you care about. Just type it in using the correct decimal format for the instrument. If you've already placed a drawing on the chart, such as a horizontal line marking support or resistance, you can select that object instead. The alert will then follow the object, which is helpful if you plan to adjust the level visually. Once you've set the left, middle, and right parts of the condition to match your intent, click OK to confirm. That's it. NinjaTrader will now monitor your chart's data and notify you when the condition is met. As a quick recap, open your chart, right-click, and choose Alerts. Click Add under Conditions, set Data Series on the left, pick Cross Above or Cross Below in the middle, choose a price or an existing drawing on the right, and click OK. This simple setup keeps you informed and frees you to focus on the rest of your trading plan.